Akiaria na Kameme TV, murugamiri wa ithurano ceceni-ini ya guikiria kura ya thukuru wa muingi wa Bomet, niaugite ati wikia wa kura no urathie na mbere oro wega na gutire mihinga kana icanjama iria ireyumiria.
Currently up to this minute we are not seeing any problem. We are taking on nicely. And how about the stations? Because I have ring to the returning officers in various constituencies, they are telling me the same. They have one or two issues, but we are tackling them as time goes.
Oho, nioreti andu othe kuma kaunti iyo meyumirie guikia kura, niamu maratathi maria maheanitwo ma gutabania ithurano icio nimekuigana andu aria othe meyandikithitie ta ikia kura kaunti-ini iyo.
Today I am not hearing any complaint about ballot papers. We had a problem the other time, but this times around, I am seeing the problem has been sorted out.
Ihinda-ini riu nioretie muingi uthi na mbere na guthingata thayo hindi ya ithurano ici na kuria mbeu njithi matigetikire kuhuthirwo ni ateti kurehe ngui hindi ya ithurano icio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Misheni wa Mungai.